I think we might have found the biggest problem of living here at the lake. It's not the camper, it's this. Towels, life jackets, thrown everywhere. They need a place. If you're new here, my name's John. I'm a husband, a painter, father of four, and for the past few weeks, my home has been on wheels. My family, we've been here in Tennessee on Douglas Lake for a few weeks now. Currently, they're back home, but I'm working on new construction, which is right across the driveway over there. And my wife and kids, they've been in heaven. They've got to go on the mow, on the knee boards, go on the tubes. And this is my in-laws' property. Our camper's back there, theirs is here, and it's a big area. There's 2 grandchildren, so we need a big area. But naturally, life jackets end up here, towels. Just look cluttered. These things don't have a place. I definitely don't think we need more room. We need a better system. At first, I just thought I needed somewhere to hang towels. But that still didn't solve the life jackets, the shoes, the muddy feet. Then I looked up and realized the answer had been in front of me the whole time. What if one post could do everything? It was back to the drawing board. I needed something a little better than a post with hangers. I need a place for the towels, the life jackets, the shoes, maybe even a place to reach your feet before we went onto the deck. Turns out I didn't need to reinvent the wheel. I just need to build one. I've been racking my brain about material. I'm wanting to try to do this project as cheap as I can, really. I mean, it's a lake project. I mean, we'll see what I can get by with. So I spoke with the homeowner here at this house I'm painting. At first he says, yeah, I got a beam under the deck there. Then he says, there's a pile over here. Take what you want. So with that pile, we'll go through it, see what we can get, and get to building.
$1 million later.
Got that pile down. One thing I wanted to do was see resourceful I could be. I ended up having to go to the hardware store, get a few things. But your stain and clear coat were at $2.10. Are leaving. It ain't quite the finished product yet. See if the natural functionality of it is good. This was the part I was most excited about. Not because we needed a new project. I built it because the best projects make everyday life just a little bit easier. Watching them hang up their towels and life jackets and wash the mud off their feet and head back to enjoy the rest of their day, I knew we'd solve the lake problem. I was hoping I could get the finished product with the kids here. I think I might be able to little bench there too. Just gotta take a blade off, just a little bit. What the? I'm just kidding. Seems like that happens all the time though. You gotta take just a little bit off and it's way off, but that's good. Yeah. We got the deck done. Get it level. Might should make this a touch. This 2x4 bench is super simple. You only need a few boards. I made mine 14 3/4 inch tall, which is 16 after the seat goes on, 9 inches wide and 24 inches long. Sand and finish to your liking. Here it is, the completed project. And this is my submission for round 2, Measure Twice the Cut. Be sure to check out Measure Twice YouTube channel. The cut episodes should be starting soon. And getting to this point has really pushed me to become a better storyteller. And it's just reminded me why I love building things that just make everyday life a little bit easier. I really appreciate you taking the time and spending a little bit of your day with me. Until next time, keep building, keep learning, and enjoy the journey. I'll see you in the next one.